the periodic table and the atomic structure. We'll see now the relation between the periodic table and the atomic structure. The atomic number counts the number of protons in the atoms of the elements. Atomic number is the number of protons, the positive particles, in the atom of this element. The number of protons equals to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. As we said before, if you remember, in a neutral atom, the number of protons equals to the number of electrons. You can go back to the chapter 2 and 3 to revise the information related to the atomic number and the periodic table and others. Elements in the same group have the same number of electrons in their energy levels or shells. The elements that are located in the same group, what do we mean by the same group? We mean those that are located vertically in the same group. They have the same number of electrons in the outer shell, in the last shell. So this means that lithium, sodium, potassium, for example, they all have the same number of electrons in the outer shell, which is equal to 1. The valence electron for the three elements equals to 1. Why? Because they are located within the same group, and since they are in the same group, then they have the same number of electrons in the outer shell. Same valence electron, which is equal to 1. Elements in the same group will have similar chemical properties. Elements located in the same group vertically also have the same chemical properties. Of course, there is exception sometimes, but all the elements that are located in the same group have the same chemical properties. So we know that the atomic number is the number of protons, and the number of protons equals to the number of electrons in the neutral atom. Also, we learned that the elements in the same group have equal valence electron, same valence electron, and valence electron means the last electron located in the outer shell or the last shell. And don't forget, if you want to revise this lesson, you can go back to chapter 2 and 3. And the elements in the same group have the same chemical properties.